These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated. The WPH4 models can either be slab-mounted or easily field converted for rooftop installation, while the WJH4 models are dedicated slab-mount units. The WJH4 models use louvered panel construction, which is superior for protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage, while the WPH4 models use a wire grill, which is less effective. The WJH4 units have a standard PSC blower motor, while the WPH4 has a variable speed motor for quieter operation. They are relatively loud in operation with sound levels roughly equivalent to that of an alarm clock, and the guarantee is not as good as many other brands as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.